This is the virtual tour of 926 Wescott Trail, apartment 201, taken here on July 15, 2019. This is a 3-bedroom, 2-bath apartment. And it's on the 2nd floor. Everything in the video is smaller than in real life. So in real life, it's actually a lot bigger. But when we come into the apartment, you have your fire extinguisher and the door buzzer to let people in. Mini blinds on the window, wide open space. So we're going to pan around, laminate floors. We got a center island. Kitchen. And we're going to look at a little more detail of this kitchen, but we're going to pan out first so you can kind of see it. Center island. Closet right when you go in, hang your coats. You have a deck overlooking the complex, and we can come out here for that. Nice area, nice big deck. If you're out there, that's where you smoke. And we're going to come around, we're going to look at the appliances a little closer. You can see what kind of quality they're in. There's the other side of that center island. 3 drawers and a couple doors. The dishwasher, it's nice and clean. You know, everything's in it, and you have no problem there. Kitchen sink looks good. Pan over to the stove. New drip pans. Everything looks good. Even the inside of the oven, we'll pan down here. It's like brand new, even though this oven is actually at least 9 years old, I would think. But yeah, so that's the way we clean them up and expect them to be clean when you leave. Even the hood fan, we have the fire stops up there. You can Google those to see how well they work, but you can't really see them from the front. Refrigerator, freezer. Nothing fancy about this, but I can tell you it works. And it does have all the drawers. Down here, all the drawers, shelves, everything's working, even the butter tray. Everything's going. And of course, we expect them that way when you move out. But anyway, so that's the kitchen, living room, dining room area. And we'll inspect the rest of the place here now. Here's the bathroom. This is the main bath. It's a full bath. Shower is good shape. Nothing fancy about the shower head, but toilet's nice and clean. Sink's nice and clean, shiny faucet. It's a brand new faucet. Now we'll inspect the master bedroom. Kind of a cream color carpet. All the carpet is in the bedrooms, by the way. There's no other carpet in here. If we overlook the area here, we can open up these mini blinds and we can see it's a wooded area back there, so it's nice and quiet back there, although sometimes you do see some kids running around. But this is the 2nd floor, and we're going to turn the light on in here. This is just a 3/4 bath, so it's got a shower, no tub, good shower head, sink. Toilet, once again, is nice and clean. It's got a little area here to store towels or whatever you want to store. Towel bar, nice and solid. And underneath all the vanities and kitchen cabinets, they're all got some vinyl under there to help protect them. So that was the master bedroom. Now we'll go look at the other bedrooms. The middle bedroom, which is right here outside the master bedroom, it's only about 8 by 10 feet, so it's a little small. The master bedroom's about 10 by 14. Once again, overlooks a wooded area. It's got a closet. That door on the closet is 3 feet wide. It's 2 feet deep, so it's probably another 4.5 feet wide. So the room is about 8 by 10. In this closet here, you can take a look. It's got a new furnace, that goes to the outside, and of course the water heater is there. But yeah, so that's the furnace. Coming into the third bedroom, and this one is about, I think it's about 10 by, maybe it's 9 by 13 or something like that. And once again, it's got 6-foot closet doors on this one, and of course 2 feet deep, so it's about almost an 8 feet by 2-foot closet. And of course in the back is wooded area back there. So hopefully that kind of gives you a good feel of what this apartment is like. We'll scan back at this bedroom here one more time. It's a little tough with this camera to get too far back, but we'll go back out to the kitchen, past the common bathroom, to the front door, and we're going to pan out one more time at this kitchen. A lot of people seem to like the kitchen. It does have a 2-car tandem garage with it. So that's what the kitchen looks like again. And that, everyone, is the virtual tour of 926 Wescott Trail, apartment 201, here on the 15th of July, 2019.